Introducing the ACP LED from American Electric Lighting. The ACP is the sustainable solution for floodlighting applications with two models to choose from, the ACP-1 and the ACP-2. The ACP-1 replaces HID floodlights with an output of between 5,400 to 23,000 lumens. The luminaire is available with a 5x5, 6x5, or a 6x6 distribution. The ACP-2 replaces floodlights in the 400 to 1,000 watt range with an output of 18,000 to 33,000 lumens. The luminaire is available with a 6x5 or a 6x6 optical configuration. Both models are available with either a 4,000 Kelvin or 5,000 Kelvin LED color temperature. The IP66 rated luminaires are engineered for durability and longevity with die-cast aluminum housing and durable glass lens. Both models are built with integral 3-stage terminal block, integrated NEMA twist-off photo control receptacle, optional toolless entry latches for easy maintenance, and a super durable paint finish with a 2,500-hour salt fog rating. The longitudinal heat sinks enhance thermal management with L70 values exceeding 100,000 hours. Knuckle and yoke configurations are available for tenon or surface mounting applications. Control options range from a standalone photocell to dimming to roam wireless monitoring and control. Both luminaires are available with shielding options to control uplight and light trespass. The ACP requires less than half of the input watts of an HID system. Clean, crisp white LED light, durable construction, reduced energy consumption and maintenance costs, and lower environmental impact make the ACP LED the sustainable solution for all floodlighting applications.